We are finally here to bring life to our avatar. Let's quickly take a look at what we're aiming to achieve. We want to animate the Groom Tech Bear, making its left hand wave and its feet move up and down to give the illusion of walking. As a final touch, we'll make the star swivel. In the animation pane, you'll notice that we only need to add 4 key animations to bring the bear to life. A swivel animation for the star, a spin animation for the waving hand, and 2 line animations, one for each foot, to create the up and down walking motion. Let's head into slide 1 and start stitching the amalgamation together. Take each individual piece and carefully reassemble the bear, making sure everything is aligned and ready for animation. When the assembly is complete, let's add an animation to the left hand. Go to the Animations tab, click Add Animation, and select Spin. Then, head into the Animation pane. Right-click on the spin animation and select Start with Previous. Next, right-click the animation again and select Effect Options. Under Effect, adjust the spin amount to 10% and make sure Auto Reverse is turned on. Finally, right-click the animation one more time and select Timing. Set the duration to Very Fast and set Repeat to until End of Slide. Let's play the slide and see how it looks. Cool, but it looks like the arm is floating a bit too much. Let me adjust that, and let's take another look. Much better. Now, let's add the swivel animation to the star. Select the star, head to the Animations tab, click Add Animation, and choose Swivel. Then, go to the Animation pane, right-click the animation, and select Start with Previous. Next, right-click the animation again, choose Timing, and set Repeat to until End of Slide. Moving on to the last animation, select one of the feet and head to the Animations tab one last time. Click Add Animation and choose the line effect. Keep the direction set to down. Go to the Animation pane, right-click the animation, and select Start with Previous. Then, go to Effect Options and enable Auto Reverse. Next, right-click the animation again, go to Timing, set the duration to Very Fast, and set the Repeat to until End of Slide. Finally, adjust the red dot on the animation path to control how far the foot moves down. Position it just slightly below the green dot to create a subtle up and down movement. This part can get a little tricky. When you get the red dot very close to the green dot, it tends to snap right on top of it. A little patience and gentle dragging will do the trick. You might need to adjust the foot placement slightly to make everything look crisp. When a foot is selected, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge the object precisely into place. Now, instead of redoing the whole process for the other foot, let's speed things up using the Animation Painter. Head to the Animations tab, click Animation Painter, and then simply click on the other foot to apply the exact same animation. Give one of the feet a 0.25-second delay to stagger the movement slightly and make the animation feel more dynamic. Let's play the slide one last time and see it all come together. You can now go ahead and delete slide 1 to keep things clean. In the next session, I'll quickly show you how to set up the avatar for GIF export. See you there.